Here is the part 2 of our video about benefits of broccoli. But before that, please subscribe to my channel. From All About Life TV I switched to Farm-ecy name. Maybe you'll ask, why? Simply because I am a fanatic and loyal to farm foods. And I simply believe that all farm foods are loaded by lots of health benefits that can supply to our body. And ECY is the syllables of my family names. So, let's begin. F. Broccoli promotes skin health. One of the broccoli nutrition facts you may not have known is that recent studies show the sulforaphane in broccoli makes it a good remedy for sun-damaged skin. Sulforaphane also boosts the live and skin cells' ability to detoxify free radicals, as well as counteract the carcinogenic effects of the UV rays on our skin. G. Broccoli strengthens the bones. Another one of the broccoli nutrition facts is that it's packed with the calcium and phosphorus we need in order to build strong bones. 1 cup of chopped broccoli contains 74 milligrams of calcium. The vitamin C in broccoli also aids in the strengthening of the bones, as it promotes better calcium absorption. Menopausal women, who are prone to bone loss and osteoporosis, because of the decline in their calcium stores, would benefit a lot from these particular broccoli nutrition facts. H. Broccoli detoxifies the cells. One of the outstanding broccoli nutrition facts is that it is a powerhouse of many phytonutrients that work as antioxidants, vitamin A, C, E, and other phytochemicals. Antioxidants act as free radical scavengers. They prevent the free radicals from causing damage to our DNA and cell membranes. Not only do these phytonutrients in broccoli work as potent antioxidants, but they also trigger the production of enzymes involved in the detoxification and cleansing of free radical residues, toxins and other cancer-causing carcinogens. I. Broccoli provide protection against cancer. The phytochemical nutrients in broccoli are the key elements in its anti-cancer benefits, perhaps the most well-known of the broccoli nutrition facts. The sulforaphane in broccoli works its anti-cancer magic by boosting the body's detoxification enzymes through gene expression alteration. A study published in Oncology Report showed that sulforaphane induces the production of phase II liver detoxification enzymes, as well as promote apoptosis, self-destruction of cancer cells, of leukemia and melanoma cancer cells. A study conducted in Rutgers University also suggests that sulforaphane may provide extra protection to those individuals with known genetic predispositions to colon cancers. One of the highly beneficial broccoli nutrition facts is that it contains indoles, specifically indole 3-carbinol. Indole 3-carbinol was shown to prevent cancers, especially those related to hormonal imbalances like breast cancer. Research studies proved that indole 3 can simultaneously deactivate the 4-hydroxyestrone, a potent metabolite of estrogen that promotes cancer cell growth in the breasts, and increase the level of 2-hydroxyestrone, another potent estrogen metabolite with cancer prevention properties. Indole 3 doesn't only prevent breast cancer, but it has also shown promising effects against prostate cancer. Indole 3 is also known to prevent the metastasis, movement to other organs or body parts, of other cancer cells. J. Broccoli is perfect for weight loss. If you are weight conscious, broccoli nutrition facts related to weight loss benefits will surely awaken your interest even more. Did you know that 2 weeks of diet comprised only of broccoli and water coupled with exercise can help you lose up to 10 pounds? Amazing, isn't it? Well, you owe this to the rich fiber content of broccoli. The fiber in broccoli prevents you from eating too much, as it's very filling. It also lowers down the levels of fat causing cholesterol in the blood. Its low caloric content completes the broccoli nutrition facts related to weight loss benefits. Just thinking of all these benefits will surely make you love the unique set of broccoli nutrition facts. Since broccoli is a mother lode of nutrients, it also contains goitrogens that form goiter. Individuals who suffer from goiter should avoid eating raw broccoli. It is best to eat steamed or cooked broccoli, as the goitrogens in it are destroyed by heat. So go ahead, enjoy the many benefits obtained from broccoli. Nutrition facts and experience the delightful benefits it can bring to your body. So here is my simple recipe for you to try at home. Grab a pen and paper for you to list it down. Or simply you can pause the video. Here are the ingredients. 3 tablespoons butter. 1 yellow onion, chopped. 3 cups salt-free chicken broth. 14.4 ounce broccoli cuts. 1/2 teaspoon celery salt or any salt you have. 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder. Dash freshly ground black pepper. 8 ounce carton fat-free sour cream. For garnish, 1 tablespoon cheddar or Parmesan cheese. Methods. 1. Melt butter in soup pot. Add chopped onion and sauté 5 minutes. 2. Add chicken broth, broccoli cuts, salt, garlic powder, and pepper. 3. Cover and cook over medium heat for about 12 minutes, or until broccoli is tender. 4. Whir soup with hand blender to remove lumps. 5. Stir sour cream with spoon to loosen. Whisk sour cream into soup mixture. Cover and heat 5 more minutes. 6. Ladle into bowls and garnish as desired. Make 6 servings. Our finished product. Cream of broccoli soup. Farm-ecy is saying always. Life is short, live it. Love is rare, grab it. Anger is bad, dump it. Fear is awful, face it. Memories are sweet, cherish it. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell to get notified. Thank you for watching. See you on our next videos.